Which of the following is the largest continent by area? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. North America. D. Europe. Answer: B. Asia. Asia is the largest continent, covering approximately 44.58 million square kilometers. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? A. Africa. B. Australia. C. South America. D. Asia. Answer: A. Africa. Africa was historically referred to as the Dark Continent due to the limited knowledge of its interior during early exploration. Which continent has the most number of countries? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. South America. Answer: B. Africa. Africa consists of 54 countries, the highest number among all continents. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which continent? A. North America. B. Africa. C. Australia. D. Asia. Answer: C. Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world, located in the Coral Sea, off the coast of Australia. Which of the following continents has the least population? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. Africa. D. North America. Answer: B. Australia. Australia has the smallest population of all continents, with about 25 million people. Which continent is known as the Frozen Continent? A. Europe. B. Asia. C. Antarctica. D. North America. Answer: C. Antarctica. Antarctica is often referred to as the Frozen Continent due to its icy and cold climate. Which continent is entirely located in the southern hemisphere? A. South America. B. Asia. C. Africa. D. Antarctica. Answer: D. Antarctica. Antarctica is entirely in the southern hemisphere, making it unique among the continents. Which of these continents is home to the Amazon rainforest? A. North America. B. South America. C. Africa. D. Asia. Answer: B. South America. The Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest in the world, is located in South America. Which continent has the Sahara Desert? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. North America. Answer: B. Africa. The Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, is located in northern Africa. Which of these continents is the smallest by land area? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. North America. D. South America. Answer: B. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent by land area, covering approximately 7.7 million square kilometers. Which continent is home to the Himalayan mountain range? A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Asia. D. North America. Answer: C. Asia. The Himalayan mountain range is located in Asia and contains the world's highest peak, Mount Everest. Which continent is known for the Amazon River? A. North America. B. Asia. C. South America. D. Africa. Answer: C. South America. The Amazon River is the longest river in South America and the second longest in the world. Which of the following continents has the largest desert in the world? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Australia. D. North America. Answer: A. Africa. Africa is home to the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world. The continent of Africa is divided into how many regions? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. Answer: B. 5. Africa is divided into 5 regions: Northern, Sub-Saharan, Eastern, Western, and Central Africa. Which continent is known for the Eiffel Tower? A. Europe. B. North America. C. Asia. D. Australia. Answer: A. Europe. The Eiffel Tower is located in Paris, France, which is in Europe. Which continent contains the most number of landlocked countries? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. South America. D. Europe. Answer: A. Africa. Africa has the highest number of landlocked countries, including nations like Chad and Zambia. Which continent is home to the largest island in the world, Greenland? A. North America. B. Europe. C. Asia. D. Africa. Answer: A. North America. Greenland, the world's largest island, is part of North America. Which continent is known for its outback? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Australia. D. South America. Answer: C. Australia. The outback is a vast, remote, and arid region in Australia. Which continent is the least populated of the 7 continents? A. Antarctica. B. Australia. C. Africa. D. Europe. Answer: A. Antarctica. Antarctica has no permanent population, with only temporary research staff living there. The Gobi Desert is located in which continent? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. North America. D. Australia. Answer: B. Asia. The Gobi Desert is located in northern China and southern Mongolia, both in Asia. Which continent is home to the world's longest mountain range, the Andes? A. Asia. B. Europe. C. South America. D. North America. Answer: C. South America. The Andes is the longest mountain range in the world, stretching along the western edge of South America. Which continent is the birthplace of the Olympic Games? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. North America. Answer: C. Europe. The Olympic Games originated in ancient Greece, which is in Europe. Which of these continents is known for the Great Wall of China? A. Asia. B. Europe. C. Africa. D. North America. Answer: A. Asia. The Great Wall of China, one of the most famous landmarks, is located in Asia. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located on? A. South America. B. Africa. C. Asia. D. Australia. Answer: B. Africa. The Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, is located in northern Africa. Which continent is known for the Kalahari Desert? A. North America. B. Europe. C. Africa. D. Asia. Answer: C. Africa. The Kalahari Desert is located in southern Africa. Which continent is home to Mount Kilimanjaro? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. South America. D. Europe. Answer: A. Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa, is located in Tanzania. Which continent is located entirely in the Eastern Hemisphere? A. South America. B. Africa. C. Australia. D. Antarctica. Answer: C. Australia. Australia is entirely located in the Eastern Hemisphere. The continent of Europe is bordered by which of the following oceans? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Antarctic Ocean. Answer: C. Arctic Ocean. Europe is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Which of these continents is known for the Serengeti National Park? A. Asia. B. North America. C. Europe. D. Africa. Answer: D. Africa. The Serengeti National Park, famous for its wildlife and migration, is located in Tanzania, Africa. Which continent is home to the island nation of Japan? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. Australia. Answer: B. Asia. Japan is an island nation located in East Asia. Which continent is known for the famous landmark, the Pyramids of Giza? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. South America. Answer: A. Africa. The Pyramids of Giza are located in Egypt, a country in northern Africa. Which continent has the most number of languages spoken? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. Australia. Answer: B. Asia. Asia is home to the most diverse linguistic population, with around 2,300 languages spoken. Which continent is the home to the country of Egypt? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. South America. Answer: A. Africa. Egypt is located in North Africa, although it is sometimes considered part of the Middle East. Geographically it lies in Africa. Which continent has the Great Lakes, the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world? A. North America. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. Asia. Answer: A. North America. The Great Lakes, located in North America, include Lakes Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. Which continent contains the majority of the world's largest rainforests? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. South America. D. Australia. Answer: C. South America. South America contains the majority of the world's largest rainforests, particularly the Amazon rainforest. Which continent is home to the famous landmark, the Colosseum? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. North America. Answer: C. Europe. The Colosseum is located in Rome, Italy, in Europe. Which continent is known for its vast savannas, including the Serengeti? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. North America. D. South America. Answer: A. Africa. Africa is home to vast savannas, including the Serengeti in Tanzania.